Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Red Black Girl, and in this video I will be showing you how to clean and disinfect your combs and brushes, basically your hair tools. You want to add in a generous amount of liquid wash. You can use anyone. Here I'm using Flow. You can use Fairy Dawn, any liquid wash, unmixed and undiluted. And then you go with your baking soda. You want to add a generous amount so that you can disinfect your tools as well as clean them. And you want to go with your white vinegar, splatter a generous amount just to mix with the baking soda. It has to bubble, the combination of these bubbles. So then you go into hot water. You can see them also putting a generous amount of water to make sure all the combs and brushes are covered. Turn the brushes upside down to make sure that they are getting well cleaned. Minutes later, this is the water. You can see how dirty it looks. You want to do this like twice. I usually do this in between periods of 30 minutes. Doing this, like, you can see how dirty the water is. Doing this twice will enable it to get cleaned properly. So you drain and then you do again. And then you bring each item, each comb, each brush under running water and rinse. Then you set aside. And voila, your combs are ready to use. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Thank you.